Hello, my name is Varisha, and today I'm going to tell you how your customer can upload their documents in their customer portal. So, first of all, when you have logged into your ScoreCEO portal, this is the screen that you will be seeing. Now, from here, we're going to go from dashboard icon here to all the way down to the document section and click on that. This is the next screen that you will be seeing. Now, on this screen, first, to add documents, we're going to refer to this section. First, we're going to add the title. For example, if it's a social security number, you can simply put SSN or social security number. If it's an ID card, you can simply put in ID. And then you're going to select the document type. If it's proof of residence, proof of identity, social security proof, or whatever. So here we're choosing proof of identity because we're uploading the ID card. And then we're going to refer to this green box that says select a file and click on that. Now, once we click on that, it will allow us to browse through our personal computer and select the file that we want to. After you have selected the file, you're going to simply click on save and the document of the customer will be uploaded. And the documents that have been uploaded will be shown over here. And that is the tutorial on how your customer can upload a document into their customer portal. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel.